JCB is one of the world's largest privately owned manufacturers of construction, agricultural, and defense equipment, manufacturing over 300 products, including machines for the U.S. military. JCB is currently building our second manufacturing facility in San Antonio, Texas. The 19C-1E is JCB's fully electric mini excavator with zero emissions, low noise, and zero compromise on performance. Work indoors, below ground, or in noise-sensitive environments without sacrificing power or productivity. 4 lithium-ion battery packs provide a full day's work with a full charge. It has both 110-volt or 220-volt onboard charger options that allows for a full charge in 11 hours. The fast charge option provides a full charge in 2.5 hours. A 500-hour greasing interval provides maximum uptime. JCB offers LiveLink telematics, ensuring increased uptime. Shop online or visit one of our over 300 dealer locations across North America.